Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is Wednesday the 27th of July and I'm on the road again. And as usual it is raining. Had a lot of rain overnight. A lot of flooding around by the looks. The creeks are way up. At least our water tank's full. That's one bonus out of it. So I'm heading into town this morning to take a lady through for her appointment in Stratford. So nice easy morning. Typical country traffic jam this. Rush hour in the countryside.
I'm going to crank up the fire and work in the office, although I will have to go and get some firewood in at some stage. Not looking forward to that. This sort of weather calls for comfort food. We've got wild venison, so I'm going to make a casserole with it for dinner. Yum. Are you still in your jammies, Harley?
Yeah.
It's one of those days, isn't it? Too cold to go outside, eh?
Yeah.
Too wet.
Yeah.
What do you want for lunch, Harley?
Chicken and whatever you want.
Chicken and whatever I want. A chicken sandwich?
Chicken and whatever you want for me.
Oh, you're a good boy. Wish everyone was this easy.
I'm in Stratford now, got a couple of hours to spare while our client's in getting their appointment sorted. I'm going to go for a quick wander down to the river here. We've had a lot of rain the last few days, so the river should be up quite high. We'll go and check it out and see what's going on. Well, the river's definitely up a long way. There's been a lot of rain up on the mountain. We've got a shot here of what it looks like that I recorded last summer. So you can see the difference on the water level. Right, I'm just leaving Stratford now. Got all my transfers done, everything went really well. It was quite a long wait in town today, but these things happen. Right, so just going over the Strathmore Saddle now, heading home the long way. Just thought I'd come home a different way, just check on some of the flooding, but it's actually not too bad. There's a few paddocks underwater, but considering the amount of rain we had last night, I thought it was going to be worse than that. After all that, about 2 minutes from home, there's a bloody big slip down in the cutting. I just managed to fit past it, luckily. It wasn't ideal. It really felt like driving 45 minutes back in the other direction when I was only 2 minutes from home. Luckily I was only in the small car that just squeezed past, but it could have been worse. Right, I'm back at the office now. Leonie must have gone off to pick the kids up. I came in the back way, so she's probably wondering where I got to. Just put the jug on. Time for a coffee. Looks like I got back just before the rain got here by the looks, because it's getting pretty grim looking over that way. Hi guys. What's wrong with you, Finn? Oh no! What happened?
I fell over.
When?
And I was going to the bus. And I was going to